Good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnanaji Vidyapith, Standard 4th. So students, today we'll start unit number 7, worksheet number 7, word problems of multiplications of money. Word problems of multiplication of money. So students, in that, first of all we have to solving multiplication problems related to money. So in that, here is an example. In that example there is a teacher collect 25 rupees for each students in class. If there are 20 students in class, how much money does the teacher collect in total? Rupees 25 for each students in class. If there are 28 students in class, how much money does teachers collect in total students? So in that, here we have to follow the steps. Step number 1 is numbers and keywords we have to find. So in that, rupees 25 and 28 students is there, and here total is there. Keywords is a total. Ask what they are asked. They are asking how much money does the teachers collect in total. How much money does the teacher collect in total? Step number 3 is a draw. Here we have to draw 2 boxes. In that we have to write 24, 25 and 28 students. Then step number 4. Step number 4 is operation. Which operation we'll use? As we can see, 25 is repeated 28 times. Repeated addition is the same as the multiplication. So we can multiply here. Step number 5 is a solution. So in that, 25 into 28 is equal to 700. 25 into 28 is equal to 700. So the answer is the teacher collects 700 rupees in total. Now solve the following problems in your notebook. First one, sum. In that, I have to buy 8 chocolates to give my friends. Each chocolate costs rupees 9. How much money do I need? So in that, we have to follow some steps here. We have to write here unit number 7, worksheet number 7, standard 4th. Then first one, sum. Step number 1. We have to find numbers and keywords. So here 8 chocolates, 9 rupees 9, 8 chocolates. Step number 2. Ask what they are asked. How much money do I need? Step number 3. Draw. We have to draw 2 boxes. 8 multiply 9. Step number 4. Operation. We have to use multiply. Step number 5 is a solution. So here we have to write 8 into 9. Answer is 8 9s are 72. So here we have to write the answer. We have to write the answer. How much money do I needed? So here we have to write rupees 72 is needed. Now first you have to look at this step number 1 to 4 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. I hope so, students. Your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Second one sum. The cost of one book is ₹25 and Anita has to buy 12 notebooks. How much does Anita need to pay for the notebook? So, in that we have to follow the steps here. B1 sum. Step number 1, numbers and keywords we have to find. So, 25 rupees, one notebook price, and rupees 12 notebook. Step number 2, ask what they are asked. How much does Anita need to pay for the notebooks. Step number 3, draw is there. So here we have to draw 2 boxes. In that we have to write 25 multiplied by 12. Step number 4, operation is there. So we'll use multiply. Step number 5, solution is there. So here we have to write 25 into 12. Here we have to write 100 tens and ones. 25 multiplied by 12. 2 5s are 10. 1 is a carryover. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Cross it out here 1. 5 1s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 0 as it is. 5 plus 5 10. 1 is a carryover. 5 plus 1 3. Answer is 300. Here we have to write answer. Anita needs to pay rupees 300 for the notebook. Now look at these 4 steps everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next step. Step number 5. Look at this step number 5 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Worksheet number 8. Word problems on division of money. So in that, solve the division word problems related to money. Example number 1 is here. 4 friends take a taxi. The taxi fare comes to rupees 376. How much shall each friends pay? So in that, here we have to find step number 1, numbers and keywords. There are the 4 friends, 360 comes fare for the taxi, each friends pay. Now ask, step number 2 is ask. What they are asked, how much money should each of the 4 friends pay? Now draw. Here we have to write 76 and divide that money in the 4 friends. Step number 4 is the operation. Which operation will use here? So here the total cost of the taxi will be shared equally between the 4 friends. Sharing equally is the same as the division, so we can divide. Which operation will use here? Divide. Step number 5 is the solution. So 376 divided by 4 is equal to, answer is 94. Answer is each friend should pay rupees 94. Now step number 1 is solve the following problems in your notebook. So in that, the cost of the cartoon of apple is rupees 500. If there are 20 apples in the cartoon, what is the cost of each apple? What is the cost of each apple? So in that, here we have to follow the steps. Worksheet number 8 is there. A1 sum. Heading is the word problems on division of money. Division of money. Step number 1. We have to find numbers and keywords. So in that, rupees 500 of apple and 20 apples are there. 20 apples are there. Step number 2. Ask. What they are asked? What is the cost of each apple? Step number 3. Step number 3 is a draw. We have to draw 2 boxes. 500 divided by 20. Step number 4. So operation. So here we have to use multiply. Step number 5 is a solution. So 500 divided by 20 . 25s are 22s are 40 is there. 0 minus 0 0. 5 minus 4 1. Will bringing down here 1 0. Next number is 100. 25s are 100 is there. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. So the answer is the cost of each apple is rupees 25. Rupees 25. Now look at this steps, everyone. Look at this steps 4 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute to how to complete your work. Okay students, now I'll show you next step number 5. Look at this step number 5 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute to how to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now what is your homework is? Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 7 and 8 and write it down in your notebook. Complete this worksheet number 7 and 8 and write that sums in your notebook and send it to me before 3 o'clock. Before 3 o'clock you have to send it to me this worksheet and complete your work. You have to complete the worksheet number 9. In that worksheet number 9, you have to complete the first 6 word problems. First 6 word problems you have to complete it and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, I hope your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.